selection around it. Then select that part of it. So there is a design. I will add a paint. Let's make the changes there. We have to add it and then make the selection on this side. Still we have to make the changes there. Use the paint around it. So we will choose the designs here.